Recent studies reveal something terrifying. Dogs are silently dying from kidney failure, not from genetics but from everyday mistakes loving owners make. No signs, no pain. Just invisible kidney damage happening right now. Are you unknowingly harming your dog? Let's reveal 18 deadly mistakes and tell me at the end how many you're making. Mistake 1. Feeding only dry food. 90% of dog owners are unknowingly dehydrating their dogs. Dry kibble contains only about 10% moisture, but your dog's body needs much more hydration to keep kidneys functioning properly. Dogs evolved eating moisture-rich prey. Even though they drink water, many still live in mild dehydration when fed only dry food. Every single day your dog eats only dry kibble, their kidneys work under unnecessary stress. This damage builds silently for years. By the time symptoms appear, the destruction is often irreversible. Mistake 2. Ignoring water bowl placement. Many dogs drink less water when bowls are placed in stressful or noisy areas, near appliances, near heavy foot traffic, or in uncomfortable spots. Stress reduces drinking behavior. Moving the water bowl to a calm, quiet location can significantly increase intake. Using a water fountain can increase it even more. Chronic mild dehydration is one of the biggest silent contributors to kidney stress in dogs. Mistake 3. Feeding high phosphorus food. Excess phosphorus accelerates kidney damage, especially when kidneys are slightly weakened. When kidneys cannot filter phosphorus efficiently, it builds up in the blood and damages remaining kidney cells. Cheap dog foods often contain high phosphorus from bone meal and low-quality ingredients. If phosphorus isn't controlled, you may be slowly stressing your dog's kidneys every single day. Mistake 4. Skipping regular vet blood work. By the time your dog shows visible symptoms of kidney disease, up to 70% of kidney function may already be gone. Dogs can look completely normal while serious damage is happening inside. The only way to catch early kidney disease is through routine blood testing. Dogs diagnosed early can live several additional healthy years with proper care. Dogs diagnosed late often survive less than a year. Mistake 5. Using toxic cleaning products. Every time you mop your floor with regular cleaners, your dog walks through chemical residue and later licks their paws. Phenols, artificial fragrances, and disinfectant chemicals enter the bloodstream this way. These toxins are filtered by the kidneys. Daily exposure creates chronic inflammation that progresses silently over time. Switch to pet-safe cleaners immediately. Mistake 6. Keeping toxic plants indoors. A single toxic plant can cause severe kidney damage if chewed. Lilies, tulips, philodendrons, aloe vera, and kalanchoe are dangerous. Dogs explore with their mouths. Even small exposure can trigger serious internal damage within days. Remove toxic plants from your home. Mistake 7. Ignoring dental health. Bacteria from infected gums enter your dog's bloodstream every time they chew. These bacteria travel through circulation and reach the kidneys, triggering chronic inflammation. Over months and years, this damages kidney tissue from the inside. Most dogs over age 3 already have some dental disease, yet many owners never brush their dog's teeth. Poor dental care silently accelerates kidney damage. Mistake 8. Feeding the same food brand for years. Long-term exposure to the same protein source can trigger sensitivities in some dogs. Chronic immune responses create low-grade inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Rotating between high-quality foods when appropriate can reduce imbalance risks. Mistake 9. Ignoring changes in urination. If your dog urinates more frequently, produces larger amounts, or asks to go outside more often, it may not be aging. Kidneys that cannot concentrate urine properly produce larger volumes of diluted urine. Early action dramatically improves outcomes. Ignoring this sign allows damage to continue silently. Mistake 10. Using plastic food and water bowls. Plastic bowls develop microscopic scratches that trap bacteria. They can also leach chemicals like BPA and phthalates into food and water. These compounds are filtered by the kidneys every day. Over time, this constant exposure contributes to chronic inflammation. Stainless steel or ceramic bowls are safer options. Mistake 11. Letting your dog become overweight. Excess body fat releases inflammatory chemicals into the bloodstream. These inflammatory compounds directly damage kidney tissue over time. Overweight dogs develop kidney disease at much higher rates. What looks cute on the outside may be harmful on the inside. Mistake 12. Ignoring urinary tract infections. An untreated urinary infection can travel from the bladder to the kidneys. Once infection reaches kidney tissue, it can cause permanent scarring. Subtle signs include straining, accidents indoors, or stronger smelling urine. Never ignore these warning signs. Mistake 13, giving too many treats. Many commercial dog treats are high in sodium, phosphorus, and artificial additives. Excess sodium forces kidneys to work harder to balance blood minerals. Treats should make up no more than 10% of daily calories. Choose simple, single-ingredient options whenever possible. Mistake 14, not monitoring blood pressure. High blood pressure silently damages kidney blood vessels. Dogs rarely show obvious symptoms until severe damage has occurred. Annual blood pressure checks at the vet can prevent catastrophic progression. Mistake 15, free feeding all day. Leaving food out constantly keeps kidneys in continuous processing mode. Scheduled meals allow metabolic recovery cycles. Free feeding also increases obesity risk, which compounds kidney stress further. Mistake 16, ignoring senior dog screening. Once your dog turns 7, earlier for large breeds, kidney monitoring should happen every 6 months. Aging accelerates kidney decline. Regular screening allows early detection and better outcomes. Mistake 17, assuming indoor dogs are safe from toxins. Indoor dogs are exposed to air pollutants, furniture chemicals, cleaning agents, and pesticide residues brought in on shoes. Kidneys filter these toxins continuously. Improving ventilation and reducing indoor chemical exposure protects long-term kidney health. Mistake 18, ignoring early warning signs. Kidney disease whispers instead of screams. Drinking slightly more water, urinating more often, slow weight loss, mild appetite changes, sleeping more than usual. These are not normal aging. They are warning signs your dog's kidneys need help. These 18 mistakes are happening in millions of homes right now. Your dog trusts you completely. Start with one change today. Move the water bowl. Add moisture-rich food. Schedule a blood test. One small change can add years to your dog's life. Now tell me honestly, which of these mistakes were you making without even realizing it?